Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send USDT from Phantom Wallet to Coinbase in 2025. If you're looking to move your USDT tokens securely and efficiently, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. First things first, make sure you have the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device and that it's updated to the latest version for 2025 compatibility. Open the app and log into your wallet using your seed phrase or connected account. Once you're in, navigate to your Assets section and locate USDT. It should be listed under your Solana-based tokens. Next, head over to your Coinbase account on a web browser or app. Go to your Wallet section, select USDT, and copy the receiving address. This is crucial. Paste it carefully to ensure accuracy. Now, switch back to Phantom Wallet. Select USDT from your assets, then hit the Send button. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address, so paste the one you copied from Coinbase. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send, but don't forget to leave a little extra for network fees, which might vary in 2025 based on Solana's updates. Review all the details on the confirmation screen. The address, amount, and fees. If everything looks good, hit Confirm. You'll need to approve the transaction with your wallet's security features, like biometrics or a PIN. After sending, keep an eye on the transaction status in Phantom. It's usually fast on the Solana network, but it could take a minute or two. Once it's confirmed, check your Coinbase account to see if the USDT has arrived. And there you have it. That's how you transfer USDT from Phantom to Coinbase. A quick tip. Always use official apps and enable two-factor authentication for extra security. If you run into any issues, Phantom and Coinbase have helpful support resources. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides. See you next time.